Hey you guys, it is me, Courtney Francois, and today we're going to talk about Kwanzaa. It is the Kwanzaa edition. Kwanzaa begins on the 26th day of December and it ends on the first day of January. So it's a 7-day event. We're going to talk about just the basics of it, and that'll be all. Alright, you guys. So Kwanzaa was first created by Dr. Maulana Karenga, who was the professor and chairman of Black Studies at California State University. And he created Kwanzaa in 1966. It seemed like Kwanzaa probably been around a long time, but no, my mom was born in 1958. So that's let you know how long it's been around. It's not too long. Our parents, our era type. If you like in your 30s, like me, your parents' era. So the reason he came about this, he wanted to figure out something for African American people. So he studied the different first fruit celebrations for different African Americans, and then he just combined different parts of rituals and celebrations together. He took some from maybe like the Ashanti, from the Zulu, and put several things together, and voila, we had Kwanzaa. So Matunda ya Kwanzaa means first fruit in Swahili. So basically on Kwanzaa, I learned in college, you're not supposed to be doing a lot. When you have nothing to say, just be silent. So it's a bunch of singing, dancing, drums, poetry, stories, and on the last day, on the 31st of December, that's when you have Karamu, and that is when you have a large family tradition to have a meal together, a large meal as a unit, and that is what the last day consists of. So each night of Kwanzaa, 7 days, you have 7 candles, and you guys gather as a family, and the child will light a candle every night. So it's 7 days, and those 7 days, there are 7 symbols to go each day, and the 7 principles with each day. So in Nguzo Saba, that means 7 principles. I'm assuming in Swahili. So the first day, I'm going to say each one is each day, and it's each principle, all 7. So the first one, Umoja, that's unity. Then Kujichagulia, that is self-determination. Ujima, that is collective work and responsibility. Ujama, that's cooperative economics. Nia, that's purpose. Kuumba is creativity, and Imani is faith. See, I got them. I got a couple notes, but they was up there. I've been looking at the notes long enough. It's in there. Okay, and the symbols for those 7 days. So we have Mazu. I got to look at these. So Mazu, that is for the crops. That symbol is for crops. Mkika, that's for placemat. Vibumzi, that's the ear of corn. Mishuman Saba, that is the 7 candles. And the colors of the 7 candles that you use during Kwanzaa are red, black, and green. And those come from the bandera that was created by Marcus Garvey, the African American flag, red, black, and green. So the red is for Papa Shango, one of the deities of the Yoruba tradition. Black is for the people, for us, and then green is for the earth. The Kanada, that is the candle holder. We have Kikumbe Cha Umoja, that is the unity cup, and Zawadi, that is gift, the gift giving. So those are the things that symbolize Kwanzaa. So like I said, this was just a quick video to give you guys a quick history lesson on who created it, when it came about, where it came about at, what these different things mean, the different days. I mean, it's a lot more research you could look up, but this is the general stuff that you would need to know about Kwanzaa. If somebody asks some questions, you want to know the basic stuff, you go to this video, you know the basic stuff. And they're like, oh, okay, look at you trying to know what you know. See, just like that. It's that simple. So, you guys have a great Kwanzaa. Today is the first day. Umoja, unity. Let's bring it in and come together. I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will be back with another video. Have a great day.